Welcome! Today, I am going to teach you my preference for the best cuts of chicken to use when making a soup. The pieces of the chicken I prefer to use when making soup are normally breasts and drumsticks. I use chicken breast when cooking soup because they are so meaty and have less hard bones. I normally use 3 chicken breasts cut into pieces. This allows you to enjoy this tasty part of the chicken in every delicious bite of your soup. Also, due to the quantity of the meat on the breast, it will help make sure your soup makes you nice and full. I use chicken drumstick in my soup because they are so delicious. I make sure to leave them whole so I can pick them out of my soup and eat them with my fingers. Be sure to include 1 drumstick for each person eating your soup though. The drumstick meat is so tender and juicy after having been cooked in the soup that everyone will want one. The other parts of the chicken I prefer not to use in soup for many reasons, some of which are they have too many bones or not enough meat. Also, some of the other parts are kind of hard to enjoy in soup. One last little tip I just wanted to share with you when you want to cook chicken soup. It's better to have these cuts of chicken because it will result in a soup that is chunky, juicy, tender, and meaty. These cuts makes your tummy full with soup when eating. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're interested to learn how to cook tasty chicken soup, be sure to watch my video on that. Also, hit subscribe for more delicious Philippine recipes. Thanks for watching and have a great day!